Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I have my Play by Sephora unboxing for you. So you'd like to see what I got? Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm coming at you from a different place as I am house sitting in between vacations and eating mango. But I got this a few days ago. I have not had time to unbox it for you guys, and I kind of feel like this month's bag is like just a little bit plain, which is fine. They can't all be, you know, ultra glamorous, I guess. Okay, so it's July 2018 and it's called More of the Good Stuff. And so if you're unfamiliar with Play by Sephora, it's a $10 a month subscription box that includes makeup, skincare, hair products, and perfumes. All items can be found on Sephora.com and in store at Sephora. So this is a great way to try out some really good stuff. They always kind of give you what's huge thing. It kind of tells you the theme of this month, and so this is about more natural ingredients for this month, and yeah, I'm excited to see what's in. I had a really good box or bag last month, so let's check it out. I'm just keep eating my mango. Okay, first off is this Boscia Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. So I love masks. These are kind of like good to take on vacation with you. I'm going on vacation, so this might be a really good thing to take with me. It visibly reduces inflammation and redness. So 10 to 15 minutes and then you rinse it off. So this actually is a bonus item. Typically it's a shampoo or shampoo, conditioner, foil packet, usually a perfume, but it's super nice to get something different. Like this is something I would totally use. Okay, next up we have the this is a, gosh, I'm having a hard time speaking. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick in the color Salt Life. See that? Well, that means it's in here. Let's see if I can, this has never happened before. Oh no, it's like underneath my nail. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so I can't get it out. It came out with a bit of bar. I actually like, it's a little light, so it might not be. There it went. Ooh, let me pick that up. Okay, so it's salvageable. There we go. So not a total loss, but a bit of annoyance. It is a little light. You see that? It's a little light for me, but with the liner, it could totally work. Okay, well, that was almost a fail, but salvageable. Oh, next up is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. This is good. I actually got a sample of this. It's a 100-point perk. I like the Lala Retro much better. I just feel like it absorbs into the skin a little bit quicker. I just like the way my skin feels after it, but this is not bad. And actually, I've been traveling a lot with just one of these small ones because the Lala Retro, which I have in full size, is pretty big. So this is good. I just prefer the Lala Retro. Okay, next up is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. I really like this brand. I use their shampoo. I'm gonna start getting like their scalp treatment line. I really like it, along with the like oil you put on your scalp, because I do struggle with like a dry scalp. But I've never tried the volumizing spray. So you just spray this on clean, damp hair before blow drying, and it adds volume and supports healthy long-term hair growth. So that's pretty cool, and that's a really good size. Two more items. Next up is the Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. Ooh, that. So just a small little cleanser. I'm gonna smell it. It's a good size. It smells really good. I actually haven't really tried Tarte. This is like a lot of Tarte. Yeah, any of their like skin items. So I'm excited to try that. And lastly, ooh, a Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. And yeah, really Tarte heavy. So that's, you know, it may be because not all brands are actually paraben, phthalate, and sulfate free, which all these are. So if that's really important to you, this is exposing you to some brands that are free of those ingredients. This is a really pretty color. Again, it could be a little light for me, but it's pretty. So that's it for this month's bag. I think I've got some really great stuff that I want to try and that I can incorporate into my routine. So as always, this is one of my favorite subscription boxes because you really do get to try a lot of high-end products. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell if you've not done so yet, so you can be subscribed and are notified when I upload new videos. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.